Hey, what's going on? My name is Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for you today. It is Thursday. I'm going to turn it over to Kathy, and she's going to start picking what sold for us.
Hey guys, let's start with the big sale.
The big sale?
The big sale.
Starting it off with the big sale.
Not really the big sale.
The sarcastically big sale?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't even know if we had any super big sales today. We had some okay sales. This one actually just came in a few minutes ago. It's the brand Little Co. Lauren Conrad. They sell it at Kohl's. This is just my son's sweatshirt. Sold it on Kidizen for $10 plus shipping, which the part about me selling it on Kidizen is probably the best part of that whole story.
Yeah, sales have been pretty lackluster there on Kidizen.
I don't know if I've made a sale in like a month over there. So let's do a shipping hip ice cream truck mailer. Yeah, I sent offers on like anybody who's carded in the last 2 weeks and got one sale from it. So
nice.
Better than nothing. All right, sold some Converse. These ones picked up for $5, sold for $33 plus shipping on Mercari.
Not bad.
This buyer did ask me to, because I normally do the FedEx, although I said I wasn't going to do that anymore. But I'm not going to go back and switch all the ones I've already had. Anyways, I normally do FedEx on over a pound because it's $7.99 for shipping up to 3 pounds. And then if not, I would do UPS, which is like 9 something. But she asked me to switch to USPS, which for 2 pounds only is $12.48. But
okay.
so I did that. I mean, it's easier for me, honestly, because we can use the free box.
Yeah.
We're already going to the post office anyways. I just try to save the buyer money by doing the others, but those other services take a lot longer to deliver, and she did say she needed these for a wedding, so that might be why.
A little more dependable with USPS, yeah.
So, yeah, that's that. We do have a viewer sale going out to Heather, AR. Some tie-dye Crocs, slide sandals, bought for $5.99, sold for $19 plus shipped to Heather. She did say she was a new viewer and opened a store because we inspired her to. So.
Oh wow, Heather! Thank you so much for that.
That always makes us smile.
Yeah.
And good luck with your store.
Absolutely.
Hope you love the sandals.
Hope you enjoy your new adventure. It's going to be fun.
All right, AI. I did sell both of these, but separately. And I think I have actually 4 more, although there was only 2 in that box. So we must have ran out of, or not found a box that could fit all of them. This first one sold, I believe, on eBay for $23 plus shipping. I have $8.88 into these only because I actually bought these for $10, but then I bought some others for like $7, and then with tax and everything, I just divided them all up. So $8.88 into $23 plus ship on that one. That one, eBay is first class, so we'll just do ice cream trucks again. Let me just find the other label while we're here. If you're wondering how I'm knowing, I just write. On the back of my labels, this is how they look. Just kind of the box location, the item, what it is, how much it's sold for, and then what I paid for it. So this one sold for $30, full price on Poshmark. And yeah, $8.88 into $30 on that one.
Very nice.
So Posh, we'll use a tie-back mailer on that. Box AQ. We're all up in the A's today. Sketcher wedges. I just listed these yesterday, I think. Bought for $7.99 up in Denver. Sold for $24.56 plus shipping. Those are well under a pound, so we'll do a strawberry mailer.
Reese, what you doing? Your bed's right there.
Where's your bed? Where's your bed? All right, VN. Crocs thong sandals sold for $34.95 plus ship. Bought for $6.50. Bought those up in Denver as well.
There he goes. He found it.
Good
boy.
He's good. Your baby.
He was in it earlier. I think it's a warm day today.
Yeah.
Another humid day. It's been kind of sprinkling Raining a little bit here and there all day, so the humidity is high.
Sold another pair of Crocs out of BW. Crocs. These ones have been listed a while, actually. Bought for $8.99, sold for $24 plus shipping. I think these are going in a Petafly. Yep. How many Crocs is that today? Oh, just 3. I thought it was 4. Just 3. It's still pretty good.
Yeah, maybe you got one more to pull.
I was gonna say in one
maybe.
day, but this is technically 2 days. Yesterday was our son's birthday. We did not do shipping at all. So.
Yeah.
All right, CJ. Columbia PFE. Button down, bought for $3, sold for $17.18 plus shipping on eBay. And I'm gonna guess Chris folded this because it's well over the size of a normal poly. So, do you think we should fold it like that, or
yeah,
just
that'll
use
be
a
fine.
bigger? Okay. Is that weird? Comment down below if that would annoy you if you received your package folded up in half and then put in a mailer. I mean, I know the shirt's already folded, so.
Yeah.
I don't know. It feels weird to like fold it again. But I guess we'll do that.
I think it's okay.
Alright. Shelf Cinderella mug. This is going out to our viewer, Odalis. Thank you, Odalis. You just bought some, I think in the last video, so thank you so much. Bought this at a garage sale for $1, sold for $15 plus shipping.
Wow, Odalis, thank you so much for all that continued support.
Yeah.
We appreciate it.
Like doing the mugs in these square boxes. Okay. Box D, some little baby vans sold. These bought for $4.99, sold for $20 on Posh. That was an offer I accepted.
Little square box, maybe?
Yeah. I might just use, I don't know. Yeah, I'll do a square box. The baby shoes are like kind of a weird thing that doesn't fit that good in anything, really. Sold this whistle and flute cloud tank top. I don't remember what I bought it for, but it was my son's, and I sold it for $15 plus shipping on Mercari.
It's like a very fitting shirt designed for today.
Yeah. All right. I like the rain, but man,
Hey, just
it
gotta
cancels
say
a
it.
lot of our plans. Not like
Yeah.
cancels, but like recently we've been trying to take the kids to the pool a lot.
Yeah, and any sign of
Lightning
Lightning
which
or-
is obviously you have to go. They have to shut it down.
Yeah.
It's like every single time we try to go, it doesn't work out, and it's like, dang it. And if you have kids, you understand like how disappointed they get if you can't do what you said you were gonna do.
Well, and then everybody that's
Goes to
there
the inside.
funnels on to the inside indoor pool, which is just not big enough to accommodate comfortably, right? So
Yep.
anyway,
Sold these Wrangler jeans for $12 plus shipping. I picked these up at the Benz a while back for $1.95, so not a huge profit, but glad to see those go. Those are going FedEx Smart Post. So let's do a dog mailer if we got any left.
a dog mailer.
Doggy mailer. And last but not least, BX. Sold some Basics wrestling shoes for $35 on Facebook Marketplace without even running a sale or listing new items in months. So
Hey,
I'll take it.
definitely take
I
it.
did pay $11.36 for those, but it was still about a $20 profit because they take such a low fee on Facebook.
Yeah, was it a quick sale?
No, these
No,
have been listed.
they've been a while,
because I haven't
yeah.
been listing there for months. So
Right.
they've at least been listed probably, I think, under 90 days, but probably getting close to the 90 day. And those are just gonna go out in a shoebox. Alright.
Very nice.
Yeah.
So we'll get this stuff packed up. We'll figure out what just sold, and we'll be
Yeah.
back with you guys in just a moment. You can help us today, Reese? You can stay sleeping. It's okay.
Ooh, 2 sales.
2 sales, Kevin?
Another Kidizen offer I accepted.
Hey, we'll be right back. Thanks for the help, Reese. You big meatball.
His eyes are wide open, but he's like ignoring us.
Got everything packed up, and we did find those 2 other sales. But first, we had something in the P.O. box, which I did go to pick up. And Debbie, thank you so much for that birthday card.
Yeah,
so kind
nice
of you. Thank you so much. Very awesome of you, and I appreciate it very much.
Yeah, and over the last couple of weeks, we have checked it a couple times, and other people have sent stuff we didn't necessarily get to open on camera, but
yeah.
Guys, appreciate it
thanks
so much.
for all of that.
Thank you, guys.
This one does have a very specific message on the back.
Open on camera. Let's see what's in here. I won't say your name yet, I guess. I don't know. I don't know if it's a secret. Probably not, because you put your name on here, right?
Well, it's a secret till we find out what it is. Some stickers.
I'm horrible at opening things.
We need a letter opener or something.
Aw. So this is from Shelby. She said, "Hey, Ginger, Marvin, Kathy, and Chris. Me and my parents are big fans. We watch you every day. Your dog is so cute. Sent some stickers for your kids."
Awesome.
Thank you so much,
Shelby. Thank you so much for that. Very
so
thoughtful.
Cute. They will love that. I will make sure to give them something they are allowed to put them on so that they don't like sticking them on their dresser. I love these though. Look at
let's get a
those.
sneak peek of them. Wow.
Aw, that penguin. I love the mermaid. I want to keep that one for me. Thank you, Shelby.
Shelby,
So
thank
sweet.
you. We appreciate that.
Awesome. Set these here. And then, those last 2 sales.
Yeah.
Box P.
I think you said one of them was a Kidizen sale too, right?
Yeah.
Like 2 Kidizen sales in one day.
It's like a miracle. All right. These are some Toms, just like a red suede flat. Bought for $7.99, sold for $25.38 plus shipping. Those are going to go out in a padded flat rate. They are just over a pound going to Washington, so a box would have cost about $10.60 or something. So just kind of why I do certain things sometimes. Why do I send some in padded flat rates and some not? That's why. Really just depends on the distance. And then this one has a little bit of a story about the shipping method as well. This is the Kidizen sale. It's a pair of women's Brooks. If you didn't know, you can list women's items on Kidizen. I don't have a ton of luck with it, but occasionally I'll sell something like this, so I feel like it was worth putting up some items. These sold for $49 free shipping. Actually, I think on the screen, the way Kidizen does their whole thing is weird, so it'll look to you like it was just $49 total, which it was. The offer I sent her was $39 plus $10 shipping.
Gotcha.
Because the Kidizen label for 1 to 5 pounds is $10 currently. Anyway, so what I did here was I did ship through Pirate Ship. I used to always say ship through Kidizen. It's just easier. You get your coverage. I don't know. It just was like, it just made more sense to do it, but I just don't like their sendle. I've never really liked it since they've switched to sendle. And you have to use your own box. You're not supposed to use like the free priority boxes when you do sendle. So anyways, I went through Pirate Ship. This person lives in Tennessee, so I was able to ship them for $8.82, which is cheaper than $10. But overall, the way Kidizen does their fee is if you use their $10 label, that comes off the $49 first, and then you get charged your fee. And if you don't, you get charged your fee first. So I did the math. I actually would have made 2 cents more by using the $10 Kidizen label, but
because you're getting the fee on that $10 of shipping now that we're not using Kidizen shipping.
Right, so my fee was like $6.40 instead of like $5 something.
Yeah.
But now because I just did a priority regular label, I can use a shoe box.
Yeah.
So it's a free box, less hassle. The sendle labels, why I don't like them is most of the time they don't scan. I wait at line at the post office to get them scanned just to make sure. And that's a waste of time to me.
And if they don't scan, then they have to type them in. So
yeah, it's just a hassle all around. Whereas these, I just set them on the counter. They scan them when they have a chance and go about my day and not worry about anything. Because
absolutely.
Anyway, so that's what happened there. But yeah, just be aware on Kidizen, if you don't use their label, your fee just gets charged off the total of the transaction. So it usually does come out cheaper to use their label, even though their labels seem kind of expensive. So.
All right. So, I guess use that information how you see fit. If you're selling on Kidizen, we'll pack up those last 2 things on off camera. And that's going to be it for today. We do have to take the boys to Taekwondo tonight, and we just have other stuff going on this evening. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for the amazing support and gifts from you guys. We do appreciate all of that. And that's going to do it for this one, guys. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next. Bye.